Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Volkswagen Touran. This is the 1 litre petrol EVO R-Line DSG. It's finished in the really nice Reflex Silver metallic paint. With it being the R-Line, you've got the chrome on the grille. You've also got these really nice alloy wheels. You've also got the chrome window surround and roof rails, and you've got your R-Line badging. To the back, you've also got your rear tinted window, so it's perfect for a bit of extra privacy if you've got anyone travelling in the back. You've also got the electric tailgate, so if you hold the button down on the key, the boot will release for you, so it's perfect when you've got your hands full if you've been shopping. In the back, you can see there's plenty of space. You have got the 2 additional seats, they're folded down at the moment. And you've also got the push button to close. It's in a really lovely condition, the car. There's no marks or scrapes or anything like that. I'll open the back and I'll show you there's plenty of space in the back there. So it'll be an absolutely ideal family car. Buckets of space. You've also got the seat trays on the back. So you just push in and pull forward. So it's perfect for putting the kids' lunch on or iPads or anything like that on the longer journeys. You've also got your 3-zone climate control. The mirrors are also electric fold-in. Just give you that extra bit of security. So I'll show you the inside now. So on the inside you've got your touchscreen display. You've got your sat-nav built in. You've also got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you've got. You've also got your DAB radio. Underneath there you've got your 3-zone climate control. And it's automatic as well, so here's your gear stick. You've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold. So I press the driver mode selector. You can choose between the different options depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving it. So I'll pop that into normal. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those tricky spaces. A really cool feature this car's got is the electric panoramic sunroof. So to open, you just pull the toggle backwards. And as you can see, it really opens really quick and it lets loads of light flood into the car. It really brightens the inside up. And then to close, you just need to pull the toggle forward. And it's really quick and easy. You've also got the built-in sunblind. So if you press the forward arrow, press it in all the way and it'll close all the way for you. Just give you a quick look at the seats. You've got your R-Line badging on there. You've got your nice grey inserts on the dash and on the doors. Onto your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control here with your front assist as well, so it's perfect for motorway driving. You've got automatic lights and you've got heated and folding door mirrors, so they give you that extra security when parking on narrow roads. So I really hope you like the car. If you've got any questions or you're interested, please just give us a call. Thank you.